The feeling is strange, it's far from the same, yeah. I need to get back to the basics.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's Tay Bryce. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click the subscribe button, like this video, and make sure you leave a comment below because I love speaking to you guys in the comments. But today I have a new video and it is my 7th month LOC update. Okay, so I'm a little late. I believe it is currently January 7th. A lot has been going on lately, so I really haven't had too much time to make a video, but here I am today. It's the weekend, it is Friday, so I'm gonna try to get this video up no later than January 9th, which is Sunday. Yeah, if you guys want like a little postgraduate life update, let me know because I'm officially a graduate from Temple University. Side note, I'm boosting myself, I'm gassing myself right now. If you don't know, I graduated this winter and I received my biology degree. So I'm officially done with my undergrad career. This is not that video, but if you guys want a little mini post-grad life update, let me know down below. But like I said, this is going to be my 7th month LOC update. Right now I do have a head wrap on. This is how I wore my hair today. It's how I've been wearing my hair lately, but yeah, I don't have too much for this video. I feel like I say that in every LOC update, but I really feel like I don't have too much to say in this video. So let me go ahead and take my head wrap off for you guys so that we can get a good look at my hair. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like underneath of the head wrap. I just put it in like a little bun in the back of my head so that, you know, I can wear this in the style that I desire. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like 7 months in. I will say that this is one of the longest periods of time that my retwist has lasted. Like if you see my hair, it looks pretty retwisted still. Like none of them have come undone. Usually my hair looks like a fro with twists coming out of it, but my hair has lasted for a whole month without a retwist or a wash. I don't know if I'm gonna wash it anytime soon just because I feel like I don't really need to. I'm gonna try to wait a couple of more weeks before I retwist, just because I have been retwisting my hair a little more often than I would like to. So the fact that my retwist is holding up, you know, it's giving me an excuse not to do my hair. For those who are curious, yes, I'm still using castor oil on my hair and my scalp. No, I haven't really seen any buildup, but we will see what my hair is looking like by the time I do another retwist in a couple of weeks. So as you can see, my hair is still budding. I still have I have really thick buds, and then you can still see like some of the twist pattern at the end, which is normal for starting your locks with 2-strand twists as I did. If I would have started my hair with comb coils, then you definitely would not see like, you know, obviously the 2-strand twist pattern. As you can see, there's like a big bud here, and then my hair is still pretty twisted towards the ends, and the ends are still pretty stretchy as opposed to where my hair is actually locked. So I still have a while to go before my hair is completely locked. I wasn't expecting to be completely locked by now. I figured it would take probably more than a year. So like, you know, if you're starting your LOC journey, just remember you really need to have patience because your hair is not going to change significantly overnight, and that is one thing that I went into this journey knowing, especially because you know, I don't really like doing my hair. I said this in videos before, I don't like doing my hair often, so even like wash days and the days that I retwist, I'm just like don't want to do this. But as opposed to doing my hair every single day or, you know, a couple of times a week. If I were loose natural, I really only have to do my hair maybe once a month when I have locks. So I'm still really enjoying my lock journey. I really still don't have any complaints. I'm just excited to see my hair grow longer. I'm ready to get to a waist length. Obviously that's going to take some years, but you know, I have all the patience in the world for my hair right now. I haven't had any major issues with my scalp. Since I'm still using castor oil, my scalp is not itchy. It's not really too dirty. I'll show you guys my scalp so you can see. It still looks pretty clean. I don't really have, you know, any flaking or anything like that, which is why I don't wash my hair that often, because I just feel like it's not necessary. I will say that this past month I haven't really paid attention to my hair. I've oiled it maybe once a week. I don't put water on it as often, which I probably should, but I haven't. And my hair isn't too dry. It could use a little bit more moisture, but I do still feel, you know, like my hair's, you know, not dry and brittle. So I'm content with how it feels right now. I have tried a couple of lock styles. I really want to be able to like rock like just 2 braids going back, 2 cornrows going back, but I'm not the best at corn rolling, so I'm still practicing that. Based off of like the few styles that I've done so far with my locks, I can tell that I probably won't be styling my hair a lot because my scalp just like, it's just uncomfortable like to wear my scarf and go to sleep. Like even when I don't do the styles extra tight, I can still feel like the tension, and like I said in a previous video, my scalp, it has definitely gotten a lot more tender. I'm a lot more tender head than I used to be, because I was never tender headed before I had locks. But again, that's not unusual for people to develop a tender scalp when, you know, they start their lock. That was pretty much all for the updates for my 7th month. Yeah, not much has happened this month, and that's okay with me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys a close-up of my hair. I do feel like my hair has gotten a little longer. Yeah, so this is my collarbone right here, and this is where my hair stops. So, you know, I have a little bit of length on me, but obviously my hair still shrinks up, so it doesn't really look that long, because I still have, you know, the 2-strand twist pattern and not all of my hair is locked. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a close-up of my hair, and that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. I'm not too sure what that's going to be as of right now, whether it be the post-grad update or my 8-month lock journey. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and leave me a comment, because I really do enjoy talking to you guys in the comments. Bye guys.